Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute is located at Meera Road, the northern suburb of Mumbai. We began our journey way back on 11 January 1998. At present, we are a 200-bedded multi-specialty hospital. We are planning to expand by 2021 to 300 beds. Our ethics committees are registered under DCGI. In fact, we were the first NABH accredited ethics committee in Maharashtra and second in India. We are also registered under US government. Our research department is very well recognized by US FDA. Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute has received many awards till date. One of the very big one is the Worldwide Achiever Award 2015, Best Multispecialty Hospital for Innovation and Research.
I am working in the clinical research field since last 15 years and I must have recruited hundreds of candidates for the medical research activities. However, I have seldom found somebody who knows their job, in spite of they having a diploma or degree in their hand through various organizations. So where is the problem? Why don't know their job? In my opinion, there needs an organization which teaches them theory classes, but more importantly, provides hands-on experience simultaneously. And this dire need of the industry gave birth to a postgraduate diploma in clinical research at Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute at Meera Road, Thane, Maharashtra.
Our days start with professional lectures given by external faculties who are from the industries, and after that there are doctors in the institute who are a principal investigator. They teach us how to handle and take care of the research participants and patients who are involved in the trials.
We have a dedicated research unit in Bhaktivedanta Hospital. The students who are doing clinical research courses here, assigned to our OPDs, they sit with us, help us identify patients, screen them, take their consent, and learn everything that is needed for clinical trial conduct.
As a part of research activity from cardiologist point of view, we teach our students how to screen the patients.
Though I completed my post-graduation degree in clinical research from another organization, my institute suggested me to join this organization. Bhaktivedanta Hospital so kindly accepted my request and suggested me to join about the clinical trials.
This institute has provided us a base for practical learning, which has helped us to experience all required aspects needed to work as an industry professional, especially working in a team.
The beauty of this course is we get theory lectures and hands-on training simultaneously. So it becomes very easy for us to even learn the theory lectures, and our fundamental fundas are clear and thorough.
So here at Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute, the difference is that not only will you learn the methodology for clinical research, but you will gain an attitude of doing something which is fundamental. Here you will be encouraged to do fundamental research which can be path-breaking for the healthcare of India and the whole world. That is the main difference, I would say, in this course.
Through proper research, you will be able to generate data which is reproducible, replicable and implementable. Team of doctors here will teach you this science in great detail.